English?
Yeah.
Hi, I am Deepak Karamchandani, and I was suffering from asthma
And
and spondylosis.
where do you
Cervical
stay?
spondylosis. I stayed in Mulund, and I took various treatments, but then I was still having a lot of problems with my body. One day I saw the ad in the Mumbai Mirror, and I just called up, and he told me the fee is 4 lakh rupees. I immediately agreed for it because I was fed up with my body, and he sent me that paper which we have to compulsory sign it. because
It is called disclaimer.
it is a disclaimer because there are a lot of people who, after getting treated, they raise objection that I'm not well, you charge me so much. So he sent me a disclaimer which I signed immediately, and I sent it back. And
Listen,
Non-guarantee.
I will interrupt you. I told you to see my. There are
Videos.
more than 575
yes, he
plus
told me
videos.
that there are a lot of videos of mine, more than over 500 videos from all the countries of the world.
26 countries.
26 countries.
And those videos
said, no, I
contain.
don't need to see any videos. I trust what you have written in newspaper, and I agreed to all his, all whatever the conditions.
Non-guarantee.
Non-guarantee conditions, and I collected the money. I deposited the money, and today
Sir, when did you deposit the money?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday I deposited. I called him immediately, and Mr. Mukesh was very cooperative. He said you can come anytime you want, and I said I'll join tomorrow. He said you are welcome here, and I came late, but I came, and I'm here since 12:30 in the morning.
Acha, had you taken any tablets?
So I've not taken any tablets and my daily doses of homeopathy medicine since yesterday, and I'm fine.
Acha, 1 minute.
I did jogging
Before
and
before
running
few
also.
days, what had happened to you?
I was admitted in hospital, and my bill in 3 days bill was 63,000
For asthma.
for asthma, and for cervical I must have paid in lakhs. So if you total it, my small sum of money which is charged every month, and no cure.
Since how many years you were suffering?
Since asthma for 41 years and cervical spondylosis for 3 years. And in these 3 years, I must have lost more than 10 lakh rupees only for cervical spondylosis. Okay, and so today, after paying 4 lakhs, it's just nothing. Still, I am perfect. My health has got perfect. I'll be doing all the exercises which he has shown to me. I am grateful to him. He has shown me all the exercises.
I will interrupt you. I took your face photo before the treatment.
Yeah, he took a photo before and after the treatment, and all the blocks of blood which were there in my body, he removed everything.
And toxins.
All the toxins which are collected since 55 years.
All the toxins were removed within 1 day.
Within 1 hour,
Yeah, and so your face started shining.
you can see the glow on my face.
Yeah, here your
The redness is there on my face to see, and I know I don't apply any makeup for it
without going to beauty parlor.
without going.
Acha, you are 55.
I'm
That happened even with 82-year old man or old woman.
Yes, but I am. 55.
Acha, and you had spondylosis.
I had small.
So after the treatment, and you had asthma also,
Yes.
you were able to run,
I ran,
ran and jumped.
I jumped.
But so
I plan to again join gym, which I was missing since my young days, and 100% I'll be joining gym. Maybe in next week, after doing 6-7 days of continuous exercises, which he has shown me, in 7 days I should join a gym, and I'll send a photo on this Facebook only with my gym on.
but without going to gym, you here jumped and ran.
That is part of my exercise.
Okay. No.
I want to be fit.
Suppose in some other patient went for operation, what would have happened to him? Do you know?
He would have been paralyzed. I was told to be operated. I didn't get operated.
Out of 100 patients who go for operation,
99% you will get paralysis.
Yeah.
That goes without fail.
It's a
If you want
it's
to
a
get
fact.
paralyzed, then go to injections and allopathy medicines, which are nothing but all crap, which will lead you nothing but it's a sheer death,
But
slow death.
at our place, patient with paralysis, polio, knee pain,
Any
knee
body
pain,
problem,
knee
any
pain,
problem.
hip bone pain, any disease under the sky, including world 6,800 rare disease. Here patients came limping and went running.
Yes. I agree.
One diabetes patient got his vision back. One diabetes patient whose one eye was completely closed. After the treatment, both eyes remained open.
Yes.
One paralysis patient who could not speak. He was 80 years old. He sang 3 songs at our place.
Oh.
So all the
It's worth it. It's worth it anytime. It's worth it anytime. You might feel the pinch that it's 4 lakhs, but it's worth 400 crores if you look at the value, body wise.
Is there any value of life?
No, it's invaluable. 4 lakh is nothing.
If you have got even 40 crores, but
No point if you don't have
have
health.
any health.
No point. Money has got zero value.
But yeah, some people think that we have got Mediclaim,
No,
but in our treatment they don't get Mediclaim.
Mediclaim is nothing but a suicide note. You're signing a suicide note when you're doing a Mediclaim. If you're following these principles, what he's saying, there's no need for a Mediclaim.
Achha,
I don't have a Mediclaim.
एक minute. I had not given you any guarantee. So did you suffer any loss?
No. It's worth it. It's
Achha,
value for money. It's
You,
worth it.
you had paid the money in advance before
I paid
the
money.
treatment.
I paid the money in advance.
So did you suffer any loss?
No, not at all. How
So
can that be?
You came here at 1 o'clock and it is now 8 o'clock. Even for 1 minute.
I had good time here, and I think I discovered something in my life which I missed. I discovered in my life, and it will be for my lifetime.
All credit goes to you because of your trust, your good nature and positivity. You got the maximum benefit.
Jai Shri Ram.
And so we give appointment and we take the fee from only those patients. After seeing all these videos,
I didn't see a single video.
yeah, that you are above all. You are above all. You are above all. You played a Tirupati blind game.
No, not a blind.
Yeah.
It's a blind trust.
Blind trust.
But simply by
Reading the newspaper.
एक मिनट, simply by Times of India paper cutting.
Only by cutting of.
अच्छा, up till now, since 2007, we had never advertised in paper.
This was first.
But since now, our Facebook post, which is our Facebook group has 6,75,000 members. But the post does not reaches to everybody due to Facebook settings. We have starting advertising
Newspapers.
newspaper and Times of India, Bombay Mirror. It is read by maximum people in Bombay. So all the best to you, Mr. Deepak Karamchandani.
Thank you, sir.
You are very
We also have a good
genius.
time with you.
genius and Jindadil person. And God bless you with health, wealth, and above all peace of mind. But you
Now I'll have all three.
yes, because peace of mind be there only when you have got health and wealth.
Only if you have health, you will get rest of 2 things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, if somebody has lost wealth, he can get it back.
But
if
if
he
health is lost,
good
you
at health.
won't get anything.
Yeah. So I love you all. Love can change the whole world, and I wish you all disease-free, tablet-free life, and celebrate every moment of life. Life is great. Make the most of it. God bless you all.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Jai Shri Ram.
English namaste.